Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's William. Today I'm going to share with you finally the first Halloween recipe of 2019, and I'm going to share with you actually a recipe from our archives because I shared this recipe with you in 2016, so it's a pretty long time ago, so 3 years ago, but many people actually asked for an English version on my French YouTube channel, so I decided to share this recipe with you today. It is extremely easy, and even 3 years after, it works amazingly well for Halloween, and it's very quick and you can have fun with your kids. So let's start with the cookie base. So before decorating our beautiful cookies, we are going to make the cookie dough, of course, which is a very basic sugar cookie recipe. And I'm first of all going to use some room temperature butter that I'm going to cream with my white sugar until well combined and fluffy. It's going to take about 1 minute. Amazing. Now I'm going to add my vanilla extract and 1 large egg and mix once again. It is time to add the dry ingredients, and I'm using some all-purpose flour, to which I added a very nice pinch of salt as well as some baking powder just to make our cookies rise a bit. And then we are going to add all of our dry ingredients to our dough and mix one last time. Amazing, my cookie dough is coming together, so now we are going to put it in some plastic wrap and let it rest in the fridge for about an hour or two, or until firmed up. You can definitely put it in the freezer for about 30 minutes if you're in a hurry. Great, our dough has been chilling in the fridge for more than 1 hour, so it is time to work it out and create those beautiful cookies. I'm first of all just going to warm up my dough with my hands on my flour surface, and then I'm going to roll it out with my beautiful rolling pin and then create our beautiful cookies. As you can see, I'm using a very simple circle cookie cutter because it's going to create the biggest canvas to then decorate your cookies, but you can definitely use any cookie cutter you want. Amazing, I'm going to put our cookies in our fridge for about 30 minutes just to firm up the dough once again. This will make sure that our cookies don't melt in the oven when we will bake them. And then we are going to bake our cookies in our preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, that's 350 in Fahrenheit. And I'm going to bake them simply around 15 minutes or until they start to look golden on the sides, and that's it. While my cookies are resting at room temperature, we are going to make our beautiful royal icing. This is the best icing, honestly, to make decorated cookies, since this icing firms up quite fast and beautifully at room temperature. And we are going to need 1 large egg white, to which I'm going to add just a few pinches of vanilla extract, and then I'm going to mix that well with our icing sugar that I'm going to add gradually once every 2 minutes until I have a very thick and white icing. Great, so our icing is looking amazing. It is time to decorate our cookies, and I'm going to use in this recipe decorating cones that I created with parchment paper. You can find the full tutorial to create these little cones on my Facebook page. I'm going to share that with you in the description box down below for the exact link of this video, but they are very easy to do, and you can actually use just a regular freezer bag, for example, or a piping bag. It's always easier, and then we are going to decorate our cookies. This is the moment to be very creative and just create whatever you want, from skeletons to pumpkins to whatever. It's going to look very cute and amazing, I'm sure of it. And if you want to use some food colorings, I recommend using some gel, as it is way more intense in color than liquid or powder. And there you go, it was very easy to create these beautiful sugar cookies, decorated especially for Halloween. You can find the entire list of ingredients in the description box down below this video, as well as my social media, so Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Please remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also give me a comment if you have any questions or if you want to say hi. I'll be happy to respond. And I will see you very soon for another amazing Halloween recipe. Bye!